man, the lamppost is in the way. Not a lamppost, electricity pole. Oh well. Oh wow, look, these planes are just drawn there. I know there's an air show today on, so that's probably why. Look, there they are. It's really poor quality, but well, look, they're drawing something. Well, I mean, it's not the red arrows, but oh well. There's a rabbit. Combo shot. Trailer on it, 6050R. Oh, hang on, I thought this is totally wonky. I think this all Wayne. Situation is the 6050R is here, and I don't know if he knows. I mean, the combine, the tank is nearly full. Oh, look at me now. Okay, they do know. I was going to say, if he's flashing his lights, I don't think he realised. There we are. There's Wayne. The speed. Blimey. John Deere power. No other machine just quite like John Deere power, apart from Fast Track, really. So, when you make your sandwich, this is where your Hovis or whatever bread you're going to have comes from. Probably. I don't know. If it's good quality, then yes, but if it's not, go chicken feed. So when you have your roast chicken, then this is what it's fed on. If it's poor quality, but this is Petercock's Farms, and they are not poor quality. That's got a full grain tank. That needs to go back to yard. I just bought a 6250R on Farming Simulator, so yeah, pretty cool tractors, can't I? John Deere just blooming goes, gets on with it. Doesn't muck about, just gets on with it. I know probably people disagree on that, the New Holland fans, but oh well. I'm a John Deere. Can't beat a Deere, can't beat a Deere. And literally all the farms, all they have is John Deere's, and they're the best on earth. Cannot beat a Deere. Look at that. Quality machine. 2013, still working. Obviously working. I mean, like, if you had a New Holland combine, then you'd have to replace it after about 2 years, so it would have broken. But no, this is still running. 8 years later, the 8th harvest if they've had it from brand new, which probably. So yeah, John Deere forever. over there. It's like a whole storm of flames. Hope they come over here. They're all broken off now. So, cheers for watching, guys, and I'll see you next video. This will be out tonight, so I'm filming this on Sunday, and it's bank holiday tomorrow for England viewers, which is good. So, there'll be two videos out. 2 or 3, depends. So, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now. Wayne said, so that field right there, so let's just walk and talk. So the field over there that's just been in the video you've been watching, that is probably 200 hectares, probably a bit more. So I walked to the top of the hill. People see Cambridgeshire is flat. I mean, it's not really hilly like the Lake District, but like, so it goes all the way up there, all the way down there. That's the massive field. You can see it's all along there, and then there's another quite big field. See, this field's been drilled. It's behind there to be done. So yeah, stay tuned. So there, the one that's ploughed, and this one. This was the video with the case. The case, that did really well actually. I've got like 80 views and it's still going. And annoyingly now, I was standing here, this is all overgrown, but now they mown it. There's trees, so yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.